Hello everyone! Today is our 8th day of our 12 days of Christmas craft and we're going to be making lanterns. These are the materials we're going to be using. They are in more details in the description. The first thing I did, I traced a star in one of my cans and I made holes with a nail using a hammer. This procedure takes time, but it's very doable. I also put a wood inside to hold it in place. Now I'm showing you here how I decorated the other two cans using the technique called Deco Patch, which basically means gluing the paper on a surface, in this case a napkin. I'm tearing the design using a little bit of water with a brush instead of scissors. Now I'm just using one ply of the napkin. Now trying to see the position I wanted it to glue and just practically I just need to cut a little piece on the ends and it fits perfectly. You trim the extra pieces and that's all. Pretty simple. Now I'm going to do the same thing with a small one. Using only one ply of the napkin. Sometimes this is hard for me to do. They're very stick together. Now I'm going to use the Mod Podge to glue the napkin on the cans. You apply the Mod Podge and then you press it a little hard, but not too hard. I made a hole, so let me fix it now. Very simple to fix. I'm just gonna cut a little piece of the napkin and I'm going to match the same pattern and it's like nothing happened. So now I'm applying more Mod Podge to seal it and I'm have to let it dry, and now I'm going to apply Mod Podge on the big can like you see, the same concept. Trying to press it down so you will not have any bubbles or more wrinkles. In this case, the wrinkles you don't even see them because of the way the can is. Now I'm applying more Mod Podge to seal it and I'm gonna let it dry. And while it's drying, I am going to find something to decorate the big can. I like to add something more. So I'm using a little bit of greenery and cherries and a pine cone. And I'm gluing it together with the hot glue. This craft is so inexpensive. You just need to use a couple of items that you already have at home, napkins, and recycled cans. I'm adding these decorations to the can, but you don't need to. They're pretty much already decorated with the napkins. So that's it, pretty much. And then the white can with a star. Now I'm going to add the candles, and that's all it is. Isn't it pretty? Very simple. Thank you for watching. Until tomorrow. Bye-bye.